Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is December 1, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, and we want to get right into the S&P action today because it was fun. As you know, we've been looking for a wave 3 of 3. Let me just show you guys what we had on our morning alert here. Okay, we actually put out 3 reports today: a pre-market open, a morning alert about an hour or less into the session, and then a post-market close for our monthly subscribers. But anyway, we're looking for a wave 3 of 3. You can see from the all-time high, we have a 1 down and a 2 up and a 1 of a lesser degree, and those were the 2 targets. Okay, so after we put out the morning alert, the pre-market, we put out this morning alert, and as the market moved above that 618 retrace, we put this out to advise everyone that now that the cash has moved above the 618 retrace target, I'd like to give you the higher target and the make or break. There's the higher target, 46.48. There's the make or break. There's where it negates it, and a move below 45.60 confirms that count. So we're looking at 46.48, and if we can get to the hourly chart here, there's the morning open. This is the all-time high. This is an hourly chart, and right there in the first hour, the market hit 46.52, within 4 points of a direct hit of our target. As we have a 1 down and a 2 up, and a 1 down and a 2 up, we're looking for 3 of 3. Bang, we got it. Okay, and that might just be the beginning of it, but boy, that sure is fun, isn't it? We had a good time with that. Let me see what else we have here. Well, let's just go ahead and analyze this since we have it up. But before we do, we want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Remember to hit the reminder bell and the like button, and I apologize if that video is not coming out too good, but let's do this, and let me get back to the chart here. Okay, that kind of threw me off a little bit here. Okay, by the way, we want to put out our disclaimer. Okay, my apologies for the lack of the video for the reminder bell and the like bell, and we also want to let you guys know about our subscription levels there. Video on demand, we're updating every month now, and the monthly subscription, this is where everybody's getting that information in advance. While I'm on that, I wanted to, our customers know we're looking for targets, and then things happen, and then news events occur. So the news doesn't create the market or the wave count. It basically creates the news. The news just falls in place. We were looking for 3 of 3, and then I guess the COVID news came out, and the market collapsed. But it was actually like the market hit the Fibonacci 786 target and went down like it was supposed to. The news just followed along. Okay, enough of that. But let me get into this analysis here. I want to get a retracement just to see what the previous wave, the first wave, did. Okay, you can see it down here. There's wave 1. It hung right around that 50% retracement. And then we've got a 1 down and a 2 up here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1. Let me get that in here for you guys. So I don't think I do have a pick, and we'll get to that a little bit later. And we'll put 3, 4, and 5 here, and we'll make that a lesser degree of trend. Put it in micro. I got purple up there. Okay, so that's where 1 went. There was 2 at the 50%. Let's get that out of the way. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, and that's why we needed to move below this low here at 45.60 to confirm that wave 3 of 3 was in play. And we've got it. We had a couple hours up, and then bang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours down. Where was it? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's not that many hours in the market. So then we'll see what that wave 2 retraced. Fibonacci retracement here. Okay, and that's right near and on the 786, what we alerted our customers to. I think I had 46.52 or 48, something like that. Hit right on there, and then respected that Fibonacci retracement level by giving us the beginning, what looks like the beginning of wave 3 of 3. It could be 2 degrees of trend. It could be 3 degrees of trend. Let me get into the picks here. Okay, let's see. That was the one we just showed you. That is the post-market. There's the one where we had a 1 down, a 2 up, and that's where the 2 targets were. And let's get to the other one here. That's our long-term view, by the way. Just for review, we're looking at 3 up at the November 22nd high, and there's our targets for wave 4. Okay, that one I just showed you, and this is the one where it comes down. Okay, whoops, we didn't want to do that. Okay, I wanted to get into this 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, we got a 1 with the circle and a 2, and then a 1, and that's the wrong degree of trend. Let me, thought I did that already. Let me change that degree of trend here, because that's going to be sub-micro, okay? And then we've got this high here today, okay? I can break that down a little bit better here. There we go. Now we're on a 10-minute chart. Please excuse all of the markings there. And these degrees might be off a little bit, but this I was using it trading. There's a 1 down. There's a 786 retracement up for 2. And then we have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it hit right on the extension here. Let me put that in, which makes me think it's either, it could be all of the wave. Here it is here, and this is going to be off by a little bit. Yeah, we're off there. Let's get down there. There we go, and let's move this guy a little better. There we go. And so as we said in our post-market report to our paying customers of our newsletter, no coincidence that it hit at 45.13. As you can see, if this is 1 down and this is 2 up, then 3, let me get rid of these guys here. Okay, where is 3? 3 would gain, where did 3 go, guys? There it is, hanging out down here. Okay, 3 gains equality with 1 right there at 45.13 and a 1.618 at 44.14. Okay, so we'll see how that plays out. There's a good chance that this is, I'm going to move that 3 out of the way. Yeah, move these guys out of the way. My apologies, guys. There we go. Okay, so 3 equals 1 right here, right where it closed. So we might look for a retracement up, because this is either 3 or just 1 of 3. How do we know? Well, if it starts retracing up and it goes up in a wave 2, then it's only wave 1. If it keeps continuing down, then it is the entire wave 3. It's not likely that this wave 3 just gains a 1-to-1 relationship. So let's do the Fibonacci retracement of this right here. This market, as I explained to our paying subscribers, could collapse from here or do a second wave retracement. There are the Fibonacci retracement targets for what would be 2. If this is 1 of 3, then there's where 2 would go, and it's 45.64, 45.81, and 45.97. Then 3 down would 3 of 3 down would continue a move above this high here, which is 45.52, negates the wave 3 at 3 degrees of trend going down. A move above this high here negates wave 3 of 3 at 2 degrees of trend. I got this all on a picture here. Let me see if I can show that that pick for you guys. And it's here. There's the 1, 2, and there's the 1, 2, and there's the 3 way, 3 of 3 of 3. There's the wave 2 up targets. There's the direct hit. There's where wave 3, the larger 3 multiples are. So we're going to see how this plays out. This could move up to these targets, or it could go straight down here. Just depends on if this is the larger wave 3 or it's some smaller wave 1. Okay, like I said, 3 is equal right there at the 45.13. So that's what we're looking at here. Should be an interesting rest of the week, Thursday and Fridays. The risk is to the downside. Our subscribers are in sell rally mode. When we get a rally, we sell. When we get a rally, we sell. When we get a rally, we sell ever since the November 22nd high. All right, we'll leave it there. Thanks again, and take care, everyone.